What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel once again. Today we're going to let this V10 scream, and what I mean by that is obviously we're going to straight pipe the E60, M5, V10, S85, whatever you want to call it. Cold start on this car. It's still cold, I just didn't get the initial startup on it. Yeah, so see, obviously just not loud enough. We need to be able to hear that V10, that's why we bought this car, and it's just so quiet, way too quiet. Let's change that. So we've got the car jacked up. Devin's going to help us because he wants to hear the supercar sounds again. And right there are the two secondary cats. We're getting rid of those. Looks like they have an exhaust leak anyways. And then if you come back here, we've got the two Corsa mufflers right there and right there. I'm going to cut those out straight there, straight on the secondary cats. We're going to leave the primary cats because we don't want to check engine light. I have to get the car tuned before we delete those, or at the same time, I guess. But here we go. Got my Sawzall here, earmuffs, eye protection, hand protection. Let's get Sawzall.
I have no protection at all.
What?
I told the camera I didn't have any protection at all.
Mint. This is stainless, it's going to take so many cuts.
Yeah.
There's so many blades. That was a clean cut.
Oh.
It's so square.
Neat.
Perfect.
It is. Next. Well, I only took no blades. Just rip it off. Hefty boy.
Oh, that thing is heavy. Look how freaking huge. What?
Weight reduction.
Hold up. Look in there.
Wow. What the hell is that? I got baffles on one side of it and then nothing on the other? That's weird.
No wonder it was so quiet. Jeez.
Okay.
Well, there went one blade, but
Yeah, that's toast. But
this blade was used already, so.
that's going. Oh, it's still up in there. Alright. Guess you don't have enough handy.
It didn't even break it.
Oh, it didn't?
No.
You just need a pair of pliers or something? Did you get it out?
Yeah,
Okay.
probably.
You just want a pair of pliers or
Yeah.
these are easily available. Not sure how good they'll do you.
I don't know if they can get them out, but we'll try. Well, that was easy. Alright. Try this again.
We need to get you that little small one that you wanted anyways.
Yeah, this one's terrible, honestly.
And that other one's brushless.
Right. Oh my god.
It's done.
It's not holding on to the blade. Now that we got old Unreliable out,
unreliable but slightly beefier unit.
Yeah. We'll just get rid of this blade and put this one in here.
We'll finish it off.
Probably like the same problem.
Yeah.
Alright. So now that we're very long and very not easy to get up under there.
Y'all remember this, kids, with all your wireless tools. This is old-timey stuff.
Oh. Somebody's going to refer back to this video in like 2 years when everything is wireless completely and there's no corded anything.
Why did that just seem so much more effortless than the DeWalt tool?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, well, guess that
It's
settles
just so-
that debate.
So long and
And you can rotate it though. That's
Yeah.
cool. Went through it in half the time.
I think I've been sleeping on this Chicago Electric.
Yeah. Like, you just had it in your head that it was such a thing that you convinced yourself anything else was better.
Yeah.
Happens to the best of us.
Now we can measure these and cut new pipe.
Don't try this at home, kids. Is this thing on? I don't know if this actually does anything, but maybe it saves the blade a couple passes or something.
I think it does.
Yeah.
I think it helps some.
Moving on to the cats.
Ain't nobody wants these cuties.
Yep.
Still perfect condition.
Is there really a nut on the back side of that?
Yeah.
Jeez. That's pretty annoying.
Yep. Bruh.
Surprised that blade's still sharp. Oh, let's not crush ourselves with the pipe today.
Preferably not.
That's gonna get you. Oops. Hopefully that didn't change nothing.
on. I'm ready to hear this thing fire up now. Hey girl, let me get your number.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, I already have it. Go ahead.